Good morning, everybody. This will be the daily agenda check-in for Tuesday, September 1st of 2020. Let's see. We're going to go over to our calendar just like usual. This is where you want to find your information, guys and gals. Do not go to that to-do list. It's evil. It's got stuff on there from 4 years ago, and half the stuff that you really want isn't on there anyway. So go to your calendar, go down in your calendar until you see today's daily agenda. Hopefully it won't run away like mine just did. There you go. We're going to click on it and click on our math and science agenda for me. Make sure you're also doing this for Mr. Stricker. You need to do both. Remember. All right. So today, Tuesday, September 1st, we're going to go down. You make sure you do your class attendance form. You just need to do that link once a day. You don't need to do it for Mr. Stricker and I. You just need to do it one time per day, but you have to do it once. Otherwise, you will be counted absent. You're watching the daily agenda video, so you are here. Morning office hours will be at 11, 2:30 for afternoon office hours, and then tonight is our special night where we're here late for you or parents that work late, 4 to 5:30. So you can click on the Zoom links there, and that will take you straight to a Zoom window where you can talk with us. All right, let's get on to the good stuff today. In math, we are going to keep on working on what we did yesterday, which was dealing with fractions and decimals and renaming between the two. So that's what we're going to start with. You're going to have a little spiral review. This will be an ed puzzle, so you'll need to watch through the entire video. You'll need to answer the questions. It is a participation grade, so all you have to do is watch it, answer all the questions, and make sure you don't answer like you're not really trying. Because if you throw answers in that do not make sense or like you're not really trying, you will not receive points for any of that ed puzzle. Make sure you're trying. All right. Guided practice lesson today will be over percentages. So we're going to be moving on from decimals and fractions and adding in percentages. Percentages are basically just fractions over 100. Actually, percent means of 100. So we're just going to have fractions over 100. That's going to be a percent. And of course, you know how to make decimals into fractions and vice versa. So we should be able to figure all this out. I'm going to walk you through a couple of different problems up here. So watch that video with me. You're going to try a couple down here, and then, of course, I'll walk you through the answers to those two, and then you've got some independent practice. Make sure you're watching those top videos first, though. You will not know how to do this without watching those videos and getting the instruction, I promise, because this isn't something we covered in 5th grade. So make sure you're watching those videos. There's the independent work. If you are confused when you look at that independent work, don't go on with it. Take a break, wait till office hours, and make sure to contact me with your questions. All right. That's all there is for that. We'll move into science for today. So in science, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. You are going to have a video to watch again today on the parts of a plant cell and how that relates to photosynthesis. But we're going to focus more on the parts of the cell today. So you're going to watch through this 3D animation of a cell. But then you are going to open up this Google Slide presentation, which is going to walk you through how to create a Google drawing of a plant cell, which you will then take the time to label the parts and send in to me. So I'll look through this with you, if it ever loads here. All right, computer's just loading a little bit slow, but we'll get there. And here we go. All right. So this is going to give you step-by-step directions of what you need to do in order to do this particular project. This project will take you most likely 2 days. It's a little bit of a longer project. So you watch through the video, you'll get started today, you'll have tomorrow to finish up, and then a little bit of time, hopefully, for you to catch up on any missing work. So I'm going to start with number 1. Anytime you make a mistake while you're doing this, you can do the undo icon, which is this little guy up at the top, or use the keyboard command Control Z. All right. So step 1, you're going to go to your Google Drive. You're going to have to go and open up Google Drive. On your Google Drive on the left-hand side, you'll see this little new with a plus button. You're going to scroll down until you see the More button. You'll have to click on it, and then another pop-down menu will come out, and you'll want the one that says Google Drawings. You're going to make a new Google drawing. Step 2, you're going to begin by drawing a large round rectangle in the middle of your page. Pretty easy, right? Well, most of the parts of this project are going to be about that easy. All you have to do is follow step by step. So you'll have your Google drawing open at the top of your screen. You'll have this window open so you can follow the next direction as you go. You just need to follow the directions step by step, and you will have a perfect plant cell by the end. All right. And then when you are done, you will share your drawing through the link, which will be right here. Again, you have today and tomorrow to finish up that drawing and send it to me. And that's it for me for today, guys. There are no specials today, so that will be it for the day. Again, if you've got any questions, make sure that you are hanging out at one of these office hours between 11 and 12, 2:30 to 3:30, or 4 to 5:30. Mr. Stricker and I will be around. Make sure you're asking the questions so that we can help you through what you need. Other than that, that's it for today. We'll see you guys during office hours, and we'll check you tomorrow for the class Zoom. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.